Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove a SIM card and memory card in your ZTE Blade. As you can see on right here, all you need to do is just remove this back cover, start from this corner and peel this thing off completely. And then here's your memory card slot, and then there's your SIM card. So if you want to pull it out, you just need to pull this one out, and then if you want to install it, it's really easy. There's a picture, should be here somewhere. It shows which way it's supposed to be in, like right here. So make sure you put it in the same way as it was in. And then here's your memory card. So you just stick it in. It shows which way too. Here's the picture on the side. So you just slide it in. Just slide it in, here it is, and then put the back cover in, and then if you want to remove it, all you do just pull it out from here. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, thumbs up, bye bye.